Hi, I'm Mary Beth, Director of Strategic Communications at the Canada-France-Hawaii Telescope. Today we're talking about the difference between asteroids, meteors, meteorites, shooting stars, and what really happens during a meteor shower. We're going to pretend that this pine cone is a rock. When this rock is in space, it's an asteroid. The definition of an asteroid is a rock in space. They can range in size from a couple feet in diameter to a mile or two across. Asteroids are leftover remnants of the formation of our solar system. They, along with comets, are some of the oldest objects that we have. Now, an asteroid orbits the sun just like a planet does. Sometimes, though, those asteroids might cross the orbit of another object, the Earth, for example. Now, when that asteroid interacts with the Earth, it comes in through the atmosphere and heats up. That heat is from the friction of the asteroid entering the Earth's atmosphere. This causes the meteor to glow. We can also call that a shooting star, and that's what we see is that line of brightness across the sky. When that meteor falls to the ground, we end up with a meteorite. A meteorite is a space rock sitting on the surface of the Earth. When we have a meteor shower, we have more meteors than normal. Usually these come from the Earth passing through the leftover remnants of a comet's tail. As a comet orbits the sun, it heats up and glows, and we often see that as the tail of the comet. As that comet glows, it melts, scattering little rocks, asteroids, around its orbit. As the Earth passes through those remnants, those leftover comet bits, now asteroids, they often impact the Earth in small ways, and we see them as a meteor shower. Sometimes you'll see a larger asteroid, a larger meteor as it enters the atmosphere, and we might call that a fireball if the glow is particularly large. Now, asteroids, meteors, and meteorites are made up of different substances, different kinds of rock. They can be a solid chunk of iron, which will glow really nicely and fall to the Earth. They might be more loosely connected. Think of like a Rice Krispie treat. As that enters the Earth's atmosphere and heats up, the bonds that connect those rocks may melt, and we might get a meteor that kind of breaks up above the Earth's surface. And that will leave little pieces that kind of fall all around the impact area. So that's the difference between an asteroid, a meteor, a meteorite, and what happens during a meteor shower. During a meteor shower, you often see instructions, look to the northeast. I just suggest look up. Your eyes will immediately catch the shooting stars, and then you can kind of turn in the direction that you see them coming from. Happy hunting.